Okay, United Against Police Terror, Copwatch, we are stationed. There is a protest regarding houseless rights on 202 C Street. I am trying to get names and badge numbers, because it is. Hey, how you doing? Can I get your name and badge? Because you're on duty, and Section 9, verse 19, an officer must identify themselves if they're on duty. Can you give me your name and badge? Thank you. Can I get your name and badge, ma'am?
Help us.
7434. Thank you. I'm not knocking on the door.
You're like, I'm not gonna knock on the door.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am?
Totally
if you're on duty, you should identify yourself. I don't feel like walking in the street. Ma'am.
You want me to knock?
What an ass. Oh, there she is. Here she comes.
Yes.
Yes, can you identify yourself, please?
Sergeant Huntley Park.
I'm sorry?
Sergeant Huntley Park.
Your badge number.
6930.
Okay, thank you. So they're stationed over here. We got 2 female officers, 1 male. We also heard that they're parked around the way. There they are. This is a peaceful protest. They've established a tent in protest of the homelessness being criminalized. So we got about 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep. Are you learning the process? What is your name? Air meat? Okay. Do you want to speak to me here or do you want to go privately? Okay. Alright, so the thing is, we have no issue with you guys out here protesting. You can stay out here all night, but you cannot set up a camp. You can't have it. Okay. So you guys have to take down the tents. You can set up 1 tent starting at 5:30 in the morning, but it's got to be down by 7 when the resources come in. Okay? I will guys bring all this on the
So we have 1 tent, what you're saying.
Starting at 5 o'clock in the morning. Or I'm sorry, 5:30. Between 5:30 and 7, you can have one tent up.
What if these are just parts of a demonstration? You know, we're not actually sleeping and we're outside right now.
I know, but we will allow you to demonstrate between 5:30 and 7 o'clock.
So we only have free speech between 5:30 and 7 o'clock on city property.
You guys can stay out here yourselves, you just can't have any tents constructed. Starting at 5:30, you can put up 1 tent.
Homeless people need shelter.
Okay, well, right now you guys need to take this down.
I guess.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
You need to tell us the reason.
You're in violation of the law.
State the PC.
No, say that piece.
Take the tents down.
State the PC.
There's signs up that say no camping right there. You read the signs. And I am telling you to take the tents down.
Do you understand the gravity of the situation we're living in as a society?
I understand that there are issues, but right now the issue that I'm addressing is the tents and you can't have them up.
We are issuing. What we're doing is we are talking
We're not going to be able to resolve that bigger problem here tonight with our conversation.
Jack, if you can share this to Aaron, so you can share this on your
Yeah.
page.
You guys could be out here, the tents cannot.
No,
And I don't want to sit here and argue with you all night.
It's
The
not
bottom
arguing.
line is the tents have to come down. So please, I ask you to take it down.
State the PC. State the code.
Are we all just going to stand here and look at it? You guys have to take these tents down, otherwise we're going to start issuing citations.
State the PC. State the code.
It's going to be on the tickets.
Well, do you know the code? State the code.
You guys are making a bigger issue out of this. You just have to take the tents down. You can stay here.
What's your name and badge?
Everybody can stay here. Sergeant McAndrew.
Badge?
6199. You guys can stay here. You just cannot have.
I'm just filming. I'm just
sleeping
filming.
bags out.
This will be able to see it in
Please take them down.
Yeah, I'm just filming it.
We are allowed to be here.
What determines 5:30 to 7:30? I'm kind of curious.
11 Idaho Street in the East
Oh,
Valley.
okay, yeah, because that was
Well, last time we were here, that was the time of
the
game.
alley refused to leave. Located
You
on
go
route.
fine with that.
Be a black male, 40, looks like he's 6 foot 7
You guys need to take the
and
test.
is wearing a blue and white gray striped jacket.
We must do that as a society. That's all we're saying.
Looks like Ruby's manager of the complex and is doing multiple complaints for different tenants.
So tents. Basically, these protesters are being threatened.
No real need for PD at this point.
We have no issues discussing the tactics, the methods.
Where's the line for you all personally? I'm just kind of curious on what
Yeah,
making
a Jesse.
Got it?
You got him?
Because I know me, like we've all worked for our money, and a lot of us have.
He's backing me.
Disabilities.
That creeped me
But,
out.
I never had to like throw people out on the street or meet people to like abject
I want
starve
that.
little children. We were out here on Thursday, and there was a family. We talked to multiple families. Like, what is the breaking point? Is what I'm trying to say for you all. And I mean, you're all looking away, not making eye contact with us. We're human beings. There's urgency right here. Like, there's literal people dying.
Well, there's no human beings under that badge.
Preventable Hep A, the city did nothing about it.
Just doing your job, huh?
So I'm just kind of curious, like, if
Yeah.
20 people dying is not enough to like not do your jobs. What is? Is it more babies dying? Is it more people with like cancer that we're talking to that are going to die? Like, what is the personal break? Is it when it affects your families? Is that when it suddenly becomes real? Is when like somebody in your house, in your like relationship, or your like network is affected? Because I mean, this whole I'm just following order shit. I mean, we went through this in Nuremberg. We did this before. It does not work when it affects the lives of other people to say I was just following orders. So I mean, right here we're part of a campaign. We're taking solidarity in a campaign calling for a moral revival. Again, people have kind of forgotten what it is to be human beings. We walk by humans like they're garbage or trash. Why is it that it's easier to step aside and just do your job passively or actively, like against a bunch of unarmed, non-violent protesters, than it is to stand up to your superiors and say, no, I will not do bad things for money. I work with little kids like these. I didn't have to hurt anybody doing that job. I didn't have to really turn to the right.
So I got Jay Duncan.
And honestly, I didn't just.
Can you state your badge number, please, sir?
What, ma'am?
State your badge number, please.
6961. I have to talk. I have to like engage with the community, not stand by looking around all guilty. I don't know. I mean, like we're trying to have a civil discourse, and you all can't even maintain eye contact. This is why we're here. This is why we're here. Is because we can't even engage. We're not even capable of wielding any sort of hand in what happened. These laws that you're all defending weren't crafted by people like us. They were crafted by people like the people who like are on the very top echelon who are getting tax breaks to build these buildings, these developers who are raising the rent, landlords. You're defending the worst kinds of people when we are the people.
I mean, it doesn't matter,
I just
Jack.
like would wish you all would look people in the eye.
Yeah, they really don't care.
It's not part of the training.
Of course not. I mean, what training is what I want to know.
Well,
But you know,
it actually did, but we'll take that.
See, this is what we get into. This. So over there, keep my mouth shut. It don't matter. I just want their names and badge numbers.
You're just beating a dead horse with them at this point.
Pretty much. But these are people that haven't done it in a while, so they're just, you can't, I'm not gonna say shit. I'm not gonna say shit.
You're saying you don't want to stay here and argue about it. So what part of the budget comes up for you to talk to the people and see what their concerns are? What do we get to talk about that? I don't understand why you feel like you're honored to wear that badge, you're honored to take people's taxpayers' money when you don't even want to sit around and talk to the people you're supposed to be.
They won't make eye contact with them. I think the most important thing is that we get their names and badge numbers, and when I asked them what the PC is for violation, they couldn't state it, but they said it would be on the He said it would be on the citation. So.
Not with people like you. Not people like you stopping people from you go home today. Think that over. Think that it's okay.
So we have a few people. We got Tall Can here. Got my homegirl Copwatch and got my back.
There is no honor in anything that's
Some
going
folks from
right now.
PSL.
There is no honor in any of this. Like, honestly, we are continuing with a campaign that was started by Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. The fact that, let me think about this. You all went to history class, I'm assuming, right? Do you want to be on the wrong side of history? Do you want to be on the side that cracked down on peaceful protesters who are carrying on the spirit of demanding justice for the poor of this country? The people whose tents that we slashed, the people,
the guy
to be fair,
sitting in the
that
corner
the city
right
of San
there?
Diego almost killed one person in a fucking trash compactor last year in December. A human being almost was like crushed to death because that is more efficient for the city of San Diego than providing resources. I mean, the honorable thing to do is take off that Batman belt and just go do something else. Please. Please, like, because honestly, this kind of relationship ends badly for everybody. That these people have drugs, houses will be drug free.
Miss Me, it is a lot easier for me to get away with it.
Okay, so talking to our higher staff, we're going to allow you to have this set up. It's tighten up a little bit for you guys to block too much.
So being really respectful of you. Using language like allow. No one's allowing any of us to do
Just explain to you that you're allowed to have this up until 8
that
a.m.
With
language
Dad,
is not going to work.
Aziz.
But I'm not, I have nothing else to say to you guys. I'm not in negotiation. You do what you have to do.
I mean, they're touching it, yeah.
You do what you have to do. We'll do what we have to do.
So just please don't block the walkway. If you can, maybe tighten up the sleeping bags out to the side. Allow you to continue your protest. Please have it done by 8 a.m. Okay?
When we'll cross that bridge when we get there.
Sure.
Right,
Just please don't block the pedestrians when they come into work. Thank you.
We definitely will not.
Because they're working class people.
Yeah.
All power to them.
So we're moving out. So I guess it was the agreement to have it up until 8 a.m. and not block pedestrians going in and out of work. Why are they still here? They're still here. So I don't know why they're still hanging out. They gave the instruction that they're allowed to have the tent until 8 a.m. to not block entrances and walkways of people going to and from work, which is not their intention at all. They said until 8 a.m. This is the instruction that they gave, but I guess we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. What the fuck?
Oh, you over here tonight? Go fuck out of here.
So I guess they're just... I think I already did. Well, I'll do it for another time's sake. Can I once again have your name and badge number, sir?
I already gave it to you once.
I know.
I only have to give it to you once. Sorry.
For real?
Review your camera.
Section 19. Wow, ain't that some shit? You won't, Chris. How about you find that? He's saying I only have to give it to him once. I'll remember that because I got it on film. Smart asses, man. For real. These fuckers were smart. I'm gonna be turning off stream for now. There are people that are occupying the tent, and they have phones where they can film and stream. So. I'm gonna turn off stream for now. Just remember that. Remember this clown. Remember this clown saying he only needs to give it to you once. And you wonder why we trip.